Hi, I'm Fry Hester. I'm a first-time candidate running for state senate in Maryland's 9th district. First, a huge thank you to all the people I've been working with over the past year and all the people I've talked to in the community. We have knocked on over 14,000 doors, visiting with people in District 9 to hear their concerns, and what I've heard has been amazing. As an engineer and a business consultant, I've spent nearly 20 years working on complicated problems. Usually those problems involve bringing people together to solve them: government, business, communities, farmers, and nonprofits. They have different perspectives, but they can come together to solve those problems. So I come with a collaborative outlook. However, with the 2016 presidential election, I was shocked by the partisanship and the polarization that followed. The division and anger I saw online and at the school bus stop in my own neighborhood broke my heart. Here in District 9, I believe we are more alike than we are different. We all want the same things. We want good education for our kids. We want quality, affordable health care and the ability to make a living. We want a secure future. So I have 4 priorities to help secure this future: education, health care, thoughtful investment, and an affordable retirement. First, in District 9, we pride ourselves on our public schools. I have 2 daughters, ages 9 and 12, in school here. I've been endorsed by the Education Association at the state and county levels. I support the Education Lockbox Amendment on the ballot this fall. It will ensure that our gambling revenues go to education, not just a substitute for the general funds. I will fight to protect our funding for schools here in District 9. I firmly believe we must invest in education to secure the future of Maryland's children, and that decisions should be open and transparent. In addition, I will work with businesses to identify gaps so we can create a pipeline of graduates ready to be employed. We need to create new pathways for students to move into lucrative jobs in fields that currently can't find enough skilled workers. Jobs like cybersecurity, biotechnology, renewable energy, value-added agriculture, and trades like construction. Second, to ensure our future, we must work to make healthcare affordable and accessible. I know so many people without health insurance, and then when tragedy strikes, these people are forced to raise money online from friends and family so they don't go bankrupt. It's just too expensive. Our state budget has 33% going to healthcare. I will work with others, the industry, and experts to make healthcare affordable and accessible in Maryland. A huge tragedy is facing us right now with the opioid epidemic. So far this year, we've seen 44 fatal overdoses in Carroll County and 31 in Howard County, numbers that continue to increase. We need a comprehensive plan to combat the crisis, and I will work to achieve that. Third, we must invest in industries of the future. This means renewable energy, biotechnology, and cybersecurity. If we invest in these industries along with small businesses, we can help the environment and help the economy of Maryland at the same time. Finally, we need to make sure it's easy to retire in Maryland. More than half of the residents in District 9 are over the age of 50. When I talk to them, they're concerned they can't afford to stay when they retire and they can't watch their grandkids grow up. As state senator, I will work to advocate for these folks to make sure they have the resources they need to retire in Maryland. My career has given me the knowledge and skills for public office. I've worked with governments and businesses to create jobs. I've helped develop local agricultural markets overseas. I've trained hundreds of people in partnership building, and I've worked with diverse groups to create partnerships and opportunities that work for everyone. I'm looking forward to bringing a fresh perspective and independent thinking and new energy to Annapolis. I know that if we stay focused on the facts and enacting policies that help meet the needs of Marylanders, we can work together despite differences of opinion. We can create win-win solutions if we're willing to compromise and focus on the long term. Whether it's education, healthcare, investment, or retirement, I am the person to get things done. My name is Fry Hester. I'm running for state senate in District 9, and I'm asking for your vote.